Good morning. Sorry that I wasn't able to stream yesterday. This morning, for the analysis, we have trading into a discount right here between that gap on the daily. And then we have large buy side here. Oh, that's 4 hour, I'm sorry. Then if we go 1 hour, we traded, so here's was yesterday's close, and before 9:30 we traded into a discount. So we can expect price to move higher because we closed in a premium, but we traded into a discount on throughout London and Asian. Wish I caught some of that move. Yesterday I did go into work early, so I wasn't able to do a live stream, but we did trade from our phone, and we got back some profit, at least on our Bolton Trades account. We made, I think, 490. And then on our leap, we still have some catching up to do. So this yellow line represents yesterday's close to new day open, in the midpoint of that. Came back, it went up and hit it, taking out this buy side, not taking out this buy side yet. Did have a lot of liquidity up down here. I think if you go to ICT's notes, or like in his daily telegram, that's where he was interested in yesterday. The reason why it didn't go there yesterday, at least off of the rip, 9:30 open, is just because we traded into yesterday it traded into an extreme discount. So we should see price move higher because of that. Yesterday's close wasn't a lot of discount, so it didn't. It wanted to create more liquidity before taking it out. Forgot to pop the disclaimer, so give me one sec. Well, what I would like to see, we ran up there pretty fast. Didn't give me a chance to take a trade off of anything. Ten candles there. It's a pretty big move. Um, we have yesterday's 9:30. Excuse me. 9:30 gap here, or fair value gap. So it took out buy side, and then at the same time formed a fair value gap while taking out that buy side. We do have news. Fed Chair Powell testifies, and President Trump speaks, which is tentative at the moment. So we're gonna have some volatility at 10. What it would be nice if we see a lot of volatility at 10 o'clock. I'm probably not gonna trade anything until 10, after 10. If it gave me like a little retest of that first gap with this candle, I mean, I would have taken that trade, but it didn't. Man. Yeah, I'll have to wait for that retracement down. And so we'll be looking for just a retracement back down. Right, so this is what we got here. We want to see the shift in market structure. Down. Want to retest at this area. So we can get a push out back up to the buy side. Like to see that turn into inversion. This is a failure swing high. We never took out the high here. We have a fractal which shows us a slow candle low, candle that made a swing low, and then a candle that made a swing high, swing higher high, and then a swing higher low, high low, or lower high. There you go, lower high. So we'd like to see that become inversion. And I think we're going to take a sell there, actually. I don't think it actually. I think we're going to be forming like a retail pattern here. And I do not want to be buying off of a low. Or selling off of a low. I'd like to be selling up here, if anything. It's your classic triangle pattern. Or pendant, I think. I like to see these because, I mean, I don't trade breakouts anymore. At least I'm not doing that. Um, I like to watch these. To kind of tell me when to buy and when to sell a little bit when it comes to ICT paired with retail stuff. Plus, I shouldn't be in a trade until after 10 anyway, so. See if we get a false break here. So people would be anticipating this to go higher. Which it might, but I'm not anticipating that. I'm actually just wanting to sit on my hands until the news hits. If news hits and we see a major drop down to here, Then we can look at market structure shift somewhere here, and then we can take a buy. I wouldn't mind taking a buy off of this somewhere. What'd Mama say?
Mom said I can't, and so can I? So Mama said I need apple.
So let's see, we got a fair value gap here. That's why I don't trade breakouts anymore. For this exact reason of the false breakouts. Like, I would have traded that so many times before. Like, oh, it's gonna go higher. Which it might break and retest and then go higher, but we're gonna see this here, see what it does. I had no idea that was on. With that one, we didn't knock out two swing lows. We get a fractal up here. I might be interested in taking a sell. We need it to stay below this gap. We're already a little bit closed above it. I like a very minuscule tick, but one more minute before 10 o'clock. Check out minor buy side, check out sell side. That is why we do not. Today, I might have to wait till afternoon. I have work today, so I'll probably be done on my phone, but I might have to wait till afternoon session before I can trade. I think we're gonna make the run to buy side daily. The daily level, taking out that buy side. Really, the only buy side that's left is on the daily, so definitely might take a run at that. I'm gonna take a quick buy here, see what it does. I would like the candle to close above that upper half. If it closes below that, I'm gonna be out. As far as I would like it, I wouldn't want to see a body close below that. Yeah, it's looking heavy. Well, that's annoying. It's been happening to me so many times. Like, there'll be thousands of different trades to take, and it, that's what it feels like, at least. The moment that I want to take a trade in something, it'll have something like really crazy like that. before going higher, where I think it's gonna go. I guess we're on the road to recovery again. Yep, this trade fails. We'll wait for afternoon session. I think we could get a push, but we'll see.
Too. He probably wants to get out of the house.
There we go. Something a little bit favorable. See if we can leave a gap open here. That'd be really nice. We can leave a fair value gap. We do have a little liquidity void here, showing some bullishness. I need to practice. Oh, hold on. I think that's what I need to practice some discipline and the fact that like if I've made a decision or something, I'm gonna stick with it until I lose. no matter what. And I need to practice, because before I didn't have that discipline. And I need to practice that discipline. Alright, getting distracted here. I got wife asked me to fix this key fob. There's no gaps in here, which is not, no fairway gaps, which is not ideal. I'm gonna take profit, actually. I'll take 300. It's not ideal either, but, 'cause it took a $500 loss. But I just don't like the way that's forming.
In the water. Row. And they're rowing. Sad. Golcuneda.
Alright. I'm okay with that trade today. Took it off. 1, 2. Took it off here. It's like a 1-to-1. Yeah, I wasn't liking how that was forming. It did not inspire confidence. Alright, I'm back. Well, I think I might be done for the day. I think it is going to go up and reach these levels here. Should have just kept with the trade, quite honestly. Because looking at the 15-minute chart, if I can pull it over for you, even the 5 minutes is fine. I have that huge gap, fair value gap. dipped in down to it. We had a lot of momentum, or not momentum really, just some bullish structure. I was talking the whole time and my microphone was turned off. Alright, well, today we were on the right side, just to kind of tell you what I was saying. We were on the right side of the market as far as like where we thought it was going to go. We thought it was going to be bullish today, and it was. This was just poor stop placement. This trade I got out really quick because I knew it was going to be 10 o'clock. Liquidity, I was taking a sell at this point, but I realized I shouldn't be in that trade, so I exited out with like a $5 loss. These two trades here I took one off of this gap here and then another off of the order block. It was the right idea. As you can see, I just had my stop placement, I think, below these, and I got stopped out with that candle before it started to run higher. So I went ahead and went back in here on this candle down, and took a profit here. I should have taken or let my second one run at least up to here, or up to here. I like just held it throughout the day, but you live and you learn, and we're getting better, and we will start a live account soon, hopefully. Probably I'm either gonna give it another 30 days, or I'm starting to get more confident until I can hold a trade, honestly, to take where I think it's gonna go. I have no business trading yet, so that is kind of my philosophy for myself. So gives me a little bit of incentive and a goal to hold until it takes out my raw. Because if I'm doing real money, I'm definitely not going to be able to mentally handle it, I guess. I guess. So I just need to Need to focus on that. Stick with it, make the decision, and stick with it. So, all right. Well, I hope you guys have a lovely rest of your day. Hopefully, you guys were profitable. And we'll see you next time. I might not hop on Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. Got some studying I need to catch up on, but yeah. Hope you guys have a lovely rest of your week.